how to log in ChatGPT in mobile. So if you want to basically log in ChatGPT on mobile, all you have to do is actually open up the ChatGPT app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see, where you have to simply tap on the continue button from the very bottom of the screen. So currently I'm not actually logged into my account, but if I want to log in, from the top left hand side you can actually see this two dots icon. Just tap on that icon there, and from the bottom left you'll find this option that says login or sign up. So just make sure to go to this login or sign up option. Now there are many ways to log in. One is that you can directly continue with your Google account, but you can just tap on the login option from the bottom here, and then just make sure to enter the email address associated with your ChatGPT account. Then go and tap on continue. Then after that, make sure to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you can tap on the continue button to continue logging into your account. You can also tap on the show password option if you happen to forget your password, or if you don't know what password you're typing. If you want to reset it, you can tap on forgot password and reset it, or you can log in with Google, Microsoft, or your Apple ID. This way you'll be able to log in ChatGPT in mobile. I hope that this video helps you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.